If you were in the woods and you stumbled upon a watch, what would you think?
Well, I'd wonder how it got there.
Would you think it came together by accident?
No way. It's way too complex. There are too many moving pieces and parts that all fit together perfectly.
So, maybe it just got there naturally. Maybe over time, thousands, millions of years, the parts just came together. All the little metal cogs rolled into place to perfectly mesh.
No, I don't think so. Somebody had to have made it.
Who?
A watchmaker.
But how can you know that? You've never seen this watchmaker. You didn't witness him make this watch. How can you know that he exists?
Because I can see his work.